Is your engine drinking fuel like there is no tomorrow, and that check engine light is staring you down with a code P2180? Do not panic, because we're going to figure this out together. This code specifically tells us that your engine is running way too rich on bank 2. Now, if you're wondering what bank 2 means, it is simply the side of your engine that does not hold cylinder number 1. Basically, your car's brain, the Powertrain Control Module, is seeing that the air-to-fuel ratio is off balance, meaning there is too much gas and not enough air getting into the mix. This is super common on European and Asian cars like Volkswagens, Audis, Mercedes, Hyundais, and Kias from 2010 onwards. You're probably feeling a lack of power, maybe some misfires, or just noticing that you are visiting the gas station way more often than usual. Before you go throwing parts at it, check if you have any other fuel system codes first. Trust me, fixing those often clears this one up automatically. If this is the only code, we need to look at two main suspects, which are the mass airflow sensor, or MAF, and the oxygen sensor on bank 2. Pop the hood and find your MAF sensor. We want to be detectives here. Look closely at the wiring and connectors. Do you see any melted plastic, bare wires, or corrosion? If the metal terminals inside look green or burnt instead of shiny metal, that is your problem. You can grab some electrical contact cleaner from an auto parts store, or even use 91% rubbing alcohol and a light brush to clean them up. Once dry, put a little dielectric grease on there to protect it. If the wiring looks good, you will need a digital volt-ohm meter. With the engine running, the voltage signal from the MAF sensor should go up smoothly as you rev the engine. If it does not, that sensor is toast. If the MAF is fine, then we move to the oxygen sensor. If it is stuck reading rich, you might have a leaky fuel injector or high fuel pressure. But if the sensor is reading normal or lean while the computer screams rich, your PCM might be the issue, though that is rare. Take it step by step. Check those wires first, and you'll save yourself a ton of money.